I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniqueities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. And today we are jumping into the holidays, people. We are making a craft that uses Dollar Tree items, and you can use this for holiday decor in your own home. You can give this as a gift, or how I see me probably using this is having a little ladies winter wonderland lunch at my home, and at each place setting, placing one of these there so that all my friends get a little take-home gift. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. I'm sure glad you're here, and let's get started. I was at my local Dollar Tree the other day, and I happened upon these cute little plastic houses, and I think they're so cute. They are cute as they are. However, I will tell you, if you don't know by now, Sweet Uniquity loves glitter, sparkle, bedazzlement. Anytime we can sparkle something up, I love to take that opportunity. So today we are going to turn these very cute and colorful little plastic houses into a snow enchanted village. So here we go. All right, so if you decide to do this project, my recommendation to you would be to spray paint these little dudes, because I'm finding that sponge painting them or brushing this on is taking a really long time, and this isn't fun. So I like fun and I like fast because I'm lazy. So I'm going to, my producer, Maximus, I'm telling them I made a mistake. Anyway, sorry for that. He's on me. Anyway, I'm going to take my little houses outside. We're going to spray paint these, and it'll go so much faster. So let's go outside. Just thought you might like to see some of my trees. They're so pretty. Mr. Uniquity doesn't like me spray painting in the backyard. Ooh, ooh. But he will let me go up here to the space I call my llama lot. And so pretty, but it's just a dog run for the people that lived here before. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with it yet, but anyway, I just call it my llama lot. But the trees are so pretty. Thought you might like to see those before I start spray painting. My neighbor has pretty trees as well, so let's get to painting in the llama lot. I used a flat white Rust-Oleum paint for this project, and it will take several coats because these colors are intense that you're starting with on these houses. The one that is like a red house, it actually gave a pink cast, and I kind of liked that. If you want to do a different shade on these houses, you paint them any color you want to. You could do them pink or mint green or baby blue, whatever. It would be so pretty. And using a brush from the Dollar Tree and some Mod Podge, I just coated all the edges, all the things that protruded away from the houses and the roof with some Mod Podge. And then I took two types of glitter, and they were different kinds of glitter. So the white glitter is a little thicker grain, and then I used a really fine silver to add some additional sparkle. I mixed them together and just kind of, drop them on the tops of the houses and just spread it all around, and it just was so pretty. I don't know that you can really tell on camera the little silver in there, but it made such a difference adding that little silver glitter to the white. So just use what you have. Anytime you glitter anything, it's going to be beautiful. So just to have fun with this. It's an easy project that really is so pretty. So just using a washcloth, it was actually hand towel. I put these houses on the washcloth on a silver tray, and then I just kind of rolled the edges. I used some fake snow and some lights. These lights came actually from Sam's. They're about, I think, $10 or so. You get you get four strands of it, and I got some frosty snow from Hobby Lobby, and it was 50% off. And I just kind of spread that around on the tray to make it look like a snowy village. And here I just displayed it under a small little kind of a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. And it just looks like a little winter wonderland. I think it's so pretty and so easy. So if you want to use it as a gift or decor, this is a great idea. But if you choose to give it as like a place setting gift, like a hostess gift or a thanks for coming gift, here is how one way that it can look. I just put it in a large cellophane bag that you can get at the craft stores. Used some white silver ribbon and some little jingle bells, and it just looks so cute. It will look adorable for your guest. And here it is all lit up. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. I hope you come back to see me, and the best way to do that is to subscribe. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of today's what you think of today's video, and have a sweet and unique day. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.